Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to remove silence in CapCut on mobile. I was editing a talking video in CapCut recently and noticed how many little pauses and filler words sneak into a recording. Instead of trimming every silent gap manually, there's actually a quicker way to clean it up. After opening the CapCut, I loaded my clip into the editor and went to the auto captions feature. From there, I selected the video and tapped Add, which brings up the caption settings. Instead of using the basic option, I open Advanced Options and enable the feature that identifies filler words and pauses. Once I tap Generate, CapCut scanned the audio and highlighted sections like pauses and filler sounds. The nice part is that these parts are automatically selected, so when the process finishes, you can simply choose Delete Clips to remove those silent gaps from the timeline. The result is a much tighter video that flows naturally without awkward pauses. Just keep in mind, this feature usually requires CapCut Pro, but it can save a lot of editing time. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.